I am from Gauras Maths Hub. I am going to discuss one question that has been taken from Chapter 4 Determinants NCERT 12 Mathematics. Question number 8, Roman 2, exercise 4.2 equal to prove that elements of first row I have written 1, 1, 1. Elements of second row I have written A, B, C. The elements of third row I have written AQ, BQ, CQ equal to in one bracket A minus B dot, another bracket B minus C dot, another bracket C minus A dot, in bracket A plus B plus C. This is the question about which I am going to discuss here. Now come out to solution here. Here I shall write solution. Solution equal to solution implied that let LHS equal to opening of vertical line I shall do here. The elements of first row will be 1, 1, 1. The elements of second row will be A, B, C. The elements of third row will be AQ, BQ, CQ. This is the question of which I am going to solve here. LHS is equal to this date. Here you can see in right hand side A minus B, B minus C, C minus C, dot A plus B plus C is there. So here you have to use the property so that either you get A minus B or B minus C or C minus C. This thing you have to get here. So if you apply here column operation, C1 minus C2 will get easily A minus B. And if you apply here C2 minus C3, you will get easily B minus C. So here I shall write by using the property C1 goes to C1 minus C2. This is C1, this is C2. So here I shall use the property C1 goes to C1 minus C2. And you can use the property C2 goes to C2 minus C3. This property, these both properties simultaneously you can use in this determinant. Here you can see C1 goes to C1 must be there, and here first column I have taken, here second column will come. Here you can see C2 goes to C2 minus 3. Here C2 is there, here C2 must come. And column number 2 and column number 3 must be different. Column number 1 and column number 2 are different here. But here C1 goes to C1 must be there. Here C2 goes to C2 must be there. So use this property, you will get here date equal to, here it says C1 goes to. This means that only changes will occur in first column. There will be no changes in second column and third column on using the property C1 goes to C1 minus C2. Here you can see C2 goes to C2 minus C3. This means that only changes will occur in second column. There will be no changes in first column and third column. This means that on using these both properties simultaneously, you will get no changes in column number 3 here. So here I shall write column number 3 as it is. So here write column number 3 as it is, C, Q, I shall write. And this property, first of all, I shall use this property. C1 goes to C1 minus C2. So here you can see C1. So here I just rough work I am going to write here. C1 goes to C1 minus C2. Use this property. So here if I take C1 as element 1, so here write C1 goes to 1. 1 is there. This is C1 is the element of C1 here. I have written here. This minus will be reflected here. And C2 I shall take from, this is C2. So I shall judge it like this. The corresponding element of 1 in the second column will be 1 here. So here write 1 goes to 0. Again, this one will be one element of C1. Another C1 goes to, if I take the element of C1 as A, so here write A, minus for C2, this is C2, the corresponding element of A in the second column will be B. So here write B, so you will get A minus B. And here again, this will be the one element. C1 goes to, if I take the element of C1 as AQ, so here write AQ, minus is there, right here minus. The corresponding element of AQ in the second column will be BQ. So here write BQ. Then the elements of first column will be 0, A minus B, AQ minus BQ. So here I am going to write the elements of first column 0, A minus B, AQ minus BQ. I shall write. This one I shall write. And for the element of C2, here I shall write, this can be enclosed in the box, rough work. Here write C2 goes to C2 minus C3. C2 goes to, this means that changes will occur in the second column. C2 goes to, this means that changes will occur in the second column only. So if I take the element of C2 as 1, so here write C2 goes to 1. Take this element 1 minus the corresponding element of 1 in the third column, because here C3 is there, in the third column will be 1. So here write 1. This goes to 0. And C2 goes to, if I take the element of C2 as B, so here write B. B minus the corresponding element of B in the third column will be C. So here write C. And again C2 goes to, if I take the element of C2 as BQ, so here write BQ, minus there write here minus, and the corresponding element of BQ in the third column will be CQ. So here write CQ. So we will get the element of second column as 0, B minus C, BQ minus CQ. So here write 0, B minus C, here write BQ minus CQ. This thing you will get. This can also be enclosed in this box. This is the rough work. Now, Expand this determinant. You will get the elements of first row. I shall write as it is 0, 0, 1. The elements of second row I shall write A minus B, B minus C, or C. The elements of third row I shall write. Here you can see AQ minus BQ. The formula of AQ minus BQ is, here write formula AQ minus BQ equal to, in one bracket A minus B, in another bracket A square plus B square plus AB. This is the formula you might have learned in the class 9th or 8th class. AQ minus BQ equal to A minus B will be in one bracket, in another bracket A square plus B square plus AB. This is the formula. So the AQ, in place of AQ minus BQ, I shall write this factorization. So here write A minus B dot in bracket AQ plus BQ plus AB. This one you can write. A minus B, AQ plus BQ plus AB. And this thing can be removed later on. Here write 0, B minus C. Here same thing. If you expand this one, A, B, Q minus CQ. So here I shall write BQ minus CQ. You get the formula B minus C will be in one bracket, in another bracket B square plus C square plus BC will get. So here I shall write in bracket B minus C dot, just below I am writing A square plus B square plus BC. This will become. Here third column will be written as it is 1 C CQ. Now here you can see in the first column A minus B is there, here A minus B is there, here A minus B is there. In the second column, here B minus C is there, here B minus here, here B minus here, C is there. So here I shall write on taking A minus B as common from C1. On taking A minus B as common from C1 and B minus C as common from C2. On taking A minus B as common from C1 and B minus C as common from C2, we shall get here in one bracket it will come A minus B, in another bracket it will comes out to B minus C equal to, date will be 0, 1, or here you get A square plus B square plus AB. The elements of first column will be 0, 1, A square plus B square plus AB. If you take B minus C as a common from second column, leftover element will be 0, 1, A square plus B square B square plus C square plus BC. Here we will get b square plus c square. Here write c square, you will get easily. B square plus c square plus bc, you will get b square plus c square plus bc. And here you will get 1 c cq you will get. Dotted line here. This thing will get. This is c. This thing have got det equal to in one bracket a minus b dot, in other was b minus c equal to opening a vertical line I have done here. The elements of first row 0 0 1. The elements of second row 1 1 c. The elements of third row a square plus b square plus ab. The b square plus c square plus bc and c square. This is CQ. This is CQ. Right here CQ. This is CQ. Yes. This is CQ. So this determinant you will get. To compare this thing from RHS you will get here. Here A minus B is there. Here A minus B is there. Here B minus C is here. B minus C is there. But just think you have to get only this one. So here same thing I am going to reflect here. Right here. So here write det equal to A minus B will be in one bracket. In another bracket it will comes out to be B minus C. Here dot is there. Here you write dot. Because multiplication sign is there, so here write dot. Dot. The elements of first row I shall write 0 0 1. The elements of second row I shall write 1 1 C. The elements of third row I shall write a square plus b square plus ab. The elements of second row I shall write, the elements of first row I shall write 0 0 1. Here write 1. The elements of second row I shall write 1 1 c. Right here 1. The elements of third row I shall write a square plus b square plus ab. I have written. Here write b square plus c square plus bc. Here I shall write cq. This thing you have to write. Now here you can see in the first row, first element and second elements are 0. So here this det will be expanded as per first column. So here I shall write on expanding the determinant along R1. Along R1. So what we will get here? Here I shall get det equal to A minus B dot B minus C, and if I take here 0, so 0 will multiply to minor of 0 comes out to 0, and if I take this one 0, the same thing, the minor of 0 will be multiplied to 0 comes out to 0, only this element will be effective. So here I shall use curly bracket. Use here curly bracket. Inside the curly bracket here I write +1. Here you can see +1 is the content that is meant for here +1. So here I write +1. This +1 is the content that is scalar fixed here, and this +1 I have taken from here. This element I have reflected here. Then get the minor of here. Get the minor of here 1. So instead of getting minor, just apply the things directly. Open here circle bracket. Here you can see the minor of plus 1 will be this thing. First row will be hidden and third column will be hidden. So we will get the minor of plus 1 will be 1, 1, a square plus b square plus ab, b square plus c square plus bc. Now in this case, here you can see 1 and b square plus c square plus bc are the elements in the principal diagonal. The elements of principal diagonal will multiply together. If you multiply 1 to b square plus c square plus bc, you will get simply b square plus c square plus bc. And minus, I shall write here minus, and the elements of reverse diagonal will multiply together. We will get here a square plus b square minus ab. Since here minus will be affected in all these terms, so we will get here minus a square minus b square minus ab. This thing we will get here. This bracket will be a curly bracket will be enclosed. So here I write that equal to, here I shall write a minus b, here I write b minus c. I shall open here curly bracket. Plus 1 will multiply together. You get here only 1. And here you can see b square plus c square plus bc. Minus a square minus b square. So here you can get plus b square minus b square. Both will be cancelled together. And here you can see bc minus ab is there. Can't be cancelled out. So just here write whatever things are left here. So here I can write very well c square plus bc minus a square minus ab. This thing I can write very well. Now what we'll do here? Here write that is equal to a minus b repeated. Repeat the same thing as earlier. And here write curly bracket. Group the like terms here. Group the unlike terms so that you can easily take common prime factors. So just I am going to do here. Here write c square minus a square. This c square I have written this place. This minus a square comes out to at this place. I here write bc minus ab. Closing of braces I have done here. So here I shall write that equal to a minus b dot b minus c. Opening of curly bracket I shall do here. Here you can see c square minus a square is there. So here formula is there. A square minus b square equal to a plus b, a minus b. Same formula I shall leave here. So here you can write easily in one bracket c plus a, in another bracket you can write c minus a, and here if you take common as b, so here take common b, so in bracket you will get here c minus a. Closing of braces I say do here. So here c square minus a square will get here c plus a. Here c minus a will get c square minus a square equal to c plus a, c minus a, plus is there. Here plus bc minus ab. If you take here plus b common, you will get only c minus a, c minus a will get. Now do the operation here further. Here a minus b will be one bracket, b minus c will be another bracket. A minus b will be one bracket, b minus c will be another bracket. Or now here, this is the first term, this is the second term. If you take common here, c minus a, here I shall take common c minus a. If you take common c minus a, just open here curly bracket. You take common c minus a. In another bracket you will get very well. C minus a has been taken as a common c minus a here. So here you will get c plus a. So here write c plus a. and here in the second term you will get only b. So here I tell you plus b. Braces will be here. So here you will get lastly a minus b, b minus c, c minus a plus b plus c. Just compare this with the RHS here. A minus b, b minus c, a minus b, b minus c, c minus a plus b plus c, a plus b plus c. So here I have proved LHS equal to RHS. This thing you have to prove here. RHS, this is S. RHS. This is the complete solution and explanation of question number 8, Roman 2, exercise 4.2, chapter 4, determinant and NCERT mathematics.